Fantastic.
So let's talk about the improper ways to clean a wood floor.
Right. So, David, late at night, you see these infomercials that come on with these steam mops, and they talk about, how wonderful the steam mop is to clean surfaces. And you know what? They're right. The only problem is the surface that it's not good for is a wood floor.
Do they market?
Yes,
they do, unfortunately.
They do.
The Steam Shark, I think that's what it is.
That's one of the brands. But the problem with the steam, and we've had clients call us in a panic after they've steam mopped their floors, with discoloration, with in some cases delamination of the coatings, a variety of issues. You cannot inject 140, 150 degree steam into your wood floor and expect that wood floor to perform. So instead of steam mopping, and we've talked about this, really a lot on the show, instead of using buckets of water and a mop and vinegar, which is extremely acidic, and those oil soaps are just absolutely terrible because they leave this film on the floor.
But they make it smell so good.
They do make it smell good. But you know what also smells great is the Mr. Floor.
It does.
Floor.
Yeah, it really does. It does smell
really
great.
Smells great,
I like it.
right?
Yeah.
So if you're going for that scent, that pine, or whatever you like, you don't need all of the other sort of damage that pine odor or that pine scent brings with it. So the problem is this: too much water will absolutely cause problems with the floor. Using an oil soap will leave a film behind, which then entraps and encapsulates dust, dirt, and debris into every single layer. So every time you clean your floor with an oil soap that leaves your floor shiny, what you're in essence doing is you are encapsulating the microscopic dirt that you cannot remove off the floor, and then that layers and layers and layers, and you're creating an abrasive surface, and that floor that's supposed to last 10 years is not going to last you 5 years because you're going to destroy that coating. So our philosophy is completely different. We are looking to change the surface tension of dirt and move it from the floor onto a cloth, a microfiber, a towel, anything that you want to, even a paper towel, really, if you want to spot clean. You spray the Mr. Floor Cleaner onto the floor, you grab a paper towel if you want to, wipe it off, and when you flip it over, you will see what's on the back of
dirty.
it. And that's what we want. Yeah. And that's so we're not leaving your floor artificially shiny. We're not trying to kill or destroy anything off the floor. We're just looking to relocate it.